The content casting scenario presents podcasting as a complementary service for the delivery of content to the end user through efficient use of resources through scheduling mechanism, non-real-time transcoding capabilities for numerous end-user equipment, the enabling of user-generated content, and the seamless integration with remaining services. Location-based group management for opportunistic delivery of content is also depicted in this scenario. Peggy, Ralph, and Bob are in a cafe. They decide to subscribe to some podcasts. Through the user interface, they can choose a podcast from the available services. They choose latest news. Podcast services are treated just like interactive TV. This includes a small EPG, just detailing the contents of each podcast. Podcasts are downloaded into background, depending on the availability of resources in the network. As soon as downloads are completed, a pop-up presents the option to play the content.
This is a download from Deutsche Welle Radio. For more information, visit our website at dw-world.de.
Even though all terminals presented are the same, transcoding capabilities were developed in C-Mobile that enabled several user equipments to be supported and content to be casted in the correct format to each one of the terminals.
Ministers meeting in Brussels remain worried about the future with Russia. Also, an international ban on cluster bombs has moved.
The background download is done using the FLUTE protocol.
Politicians are trying to find a way to deal with Scientology without
FLUTE is a unidirectional file transfer protocol supported by MBMS and also available in our prototype.
You have Russia on the one side, and you have Spain on the other, and you have the debate in the United States. In that case, I think we talk about criminal activities, and we have to follow up on that.
These stories and more coming up in just a few
The
minutes.
CGME tracks users through a location interface with Iran and is able to locate groups for tentative delivery of content based on user preferences. In the prototype, a Java user interface and a Bluetooth-based location mechanism is used to explain the CGME concept. Upon detection of the three friends in the station, CGME initiates the delivery of some free content provided only to tourists passing by the station. All three friends receive the download. Please note the absence of a subscription to a service. After download, users are presented with the option to accept the content. The content offered is German music, as they are visiting a German city. The user equipment also enables users to share content between each other. Through the GUI, they can post user-generated content. Users are only required to fill in a description.
Two muffins are in the oven. One says to another, "God, it's hot in here." The other one replies, "Oh no, it's a talking muffin."
Upload is done through an HTTP interface. The user-generated content is made available through the same interface as interactive TV and content casting. Any user can subscribe to the service, or, in addition, users can recommend their service to one another. Not only user-generated content can be recommended. Any service can be recommended. For example, your team's goal score can be recommended to all your friends.